For the Riemann sums, we have 5 steps to do, which is the first, calculate the delta x, and second, find the x initial, third, evaluate the fx, and fourth, use the limit laws to simplify the limit of fx initial times with delta x, and fifth is use the same sum laws. Okay, so we look at to our first equation, which is limit of 0 approaches. Okay, so now we look at to our first equation, where is limit of 0 approaches to 2x dx. So the first calculation is we calculate the delta x, where the formula is b minus a over n. So our b is 2 and our a is 0 over n, so we got 2 over n. Okay, for our second step, to find for the x initial, we use the formula a plus I delta x. So our a is 0 plus with I, and our delta x is 2 over n. So when we calculate all of that, we got 0 plus 2i over n. The third step is evaluate fx, where our fx will be x and our fxi will be xi. We proceed to the next steps, where we use the limit laws to simplify, and it will be limit of n approaches infinity, sum of n and I equal to 1, xi time with delta x. So we substitute the number into that formula, where we got limit of n approaches infinity, sum of n and I equal to 1, where the f of xi is 2i over n and delta x is 2 over n. So we multiply it, and we got a limit of n approaches infinity, 4 over n2, the sum of n, I equal to 1, the I will be left behind there as we need to separate it. Okay, so we simplify it, where the I will be substitute with n times with n plus 1 over 2. So when we going to multiply it, it will be cancelled, and 4 with 2 and will be cancelled it 2 with 1. So we proceed, and when we expand it, we got limit of n approaches infinity, 2n square plus 2n over n square. And when we simplify it, it will got 2 plus 2 over n, and we substitute the n with infinity, where we got 2 plus 2 over infinity, and we got the answer is 2.